over here I have find an elliptical shape. Try to make the design here. I will take the shape and image. So stretch here under it. Make it fixed. There is a clipping mask. We can move it anywhere in the shape. So let's have a design. I will explore the more options. So similarly, I will adjust the image in that frame given there. Make it fixed. So that is the clipping mask again. Custom shapes are there. So we are going to take another design. So here it is. We will try the different design. Thank you for watching.